I'm Chris, founder of Beginner Orchestra. I've spent years working with beginner orchestra groups in schools in Australia, Argentina and Malaysia. I used to spend hours creating systems to manage all of the elements of my orchestra program: the repertoire, seating, budgets, rehearsals, concerts, field trips and other checklists. So as part of Beginner Orchestra's mission to create amazing resources for orchestra teachers, we've spent time pulling all of this together into one beautiful orchestra planner. The planner has over 85 pages of templates for you to explore. We've included 6 unique cover page designs and even a couple that you can customize to incorporate your own school logo and branding. In fact, the planner is purposely designed for customizability. Choose the sections you want, print them out, and then bind them or put them in your folder of choice. Here, I've created my planner, incorporating the pages that suit me. I've popped down to the local office store and had it professionally bound, which will keep everything neat and tidy for the whole year. You can check out the website where we show you what's inside the planner. Give it a go, see how much time you can save next year, and have peace of mind that all of your planning is in one place.